Traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover gold market. I will speak about the euro versus US dollar and about the USD versus Canadian dollar. What I found after the news, we basically had non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings, and I will just update here. You can see that we got some good numbers in the US, some positive numbers, actual versus forecasted. So, but the market, basically gold made a new high for the day, and it reached a very important resistance. I want to just show you this. There was this trend line where we gathered the previous major swing highs, and guess what? Once we reach this one, we get the sellers again kicking in pretty hard, and now it just almost, we're right now on the hourly time frame almost around the half of the bar. That was also area of supply. So I think as long that 1810, as long we don't take really go upside of 1810, this is still looks bullish to me with just this climatic action that happened after the news. So, you know, my thinking was here that probably the price can try now to back towards this pin bar here and eventually attack that pin bar area 1785, 1787 in the next period, or maybe even go even lower. But that will be area, you know, to watch for the downside rotation towards, you know, during this day. So major resistance again around 1805, 1810. This is a big supply zone from this trend line and from this supply area here. So pay attention on this level and eventually, you know, watch for selling opportunities around. USD versus Canadian dollar, basically when building the higher, if you watch like a swing chart, I can make swing chart for you. I can take this tool and show you basically the swing, how the swing chart will look like. You know, I will take just like this, just a rough swing chart. You'll find basically this is higher low relative to the previous major high lows, right? So we got a higher lows, we got a trend in the last couple of days in the USD Canadian dollar. So any flush down when you have a trend intact, especially after the news, if we go like 5 minutes, everything a flash down and getting again power, you see that price is basically became very narrow here, and now it's starting to break on the 5. You know, so every flash down like this, it can be a potential buying opportunity, you know, in the rising market, in the when we have a trend. So I will be not surprised to see that price basically the USD CAD regain 1.2479, 480, and eventually attack even higher prices. So watch for that bull opportunities. I think this is a pretty interesting bull opportunity based on this strategy again. 1.2, probably 495, 497 can be the next area to watch. So again, rising trend, flash down like this with no follow through, we possibly expect higher prices probably till end of the day, and so we can see the higher price in USD versus Canadian dollar. So this is basically the most attractive that I found after the news, and I want to update you about this. Hope that you have a good day and trade safe, and see you all next week.